What is Iran's response to the U.S. strikes after the drone attacks on ships? The answer reveals a complex mix of defiance, strategic moves, and warnings that could reshape Middle East dynamics. Iran officially condemned the U.S. strikes that followed the drone attacks on ships, calling them unjustified acts of aggression. Iranian leaders framed the strikes as violations of their sovereignty and warned that such actions only escalate tensions in the region. This strong rhetoric signals Iran's refusal to back down and its commitment to defending its interests no matter the cost. In response to the U.S. actions, Iran increased military patrols in the Persian Gulf and conducted missile tests as a show of strength. These moves are designed to deter further U.S. strikes and reassure domestic audiences of Iran's military capabilities. Such escalations raise concerns about the risk of unintended clashes in this critical shipping route. Alongside military posturing, Iran issued stern diplomatic warnings to the U.S. and its allies, emphasizing potential consequences if hostilities continue. Tehran also called for international mediation to resolve tensions, signaling a willingness to engage diplomatically, but only on terms favorable to its sovereignty and regional interests. Iran's response has heightened tensions across the Middle East, with regional powers watching closely. The Persian Gulf is a vital oil shipping lane, so any conflict risks disrupting global energy supplies. This standoff could also influence alliances and security arrangements, making the situation a flashpoint for wider conflict. Iran's response to U.S. strikes reveals a mix of defiance, military readiness, and diplomatic signaling that could shape the future of Middle East stability. Understanding this dynamic helps you grasp why global tensions may escalate and why peace remains fragile. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.